Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and download this completely free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Following that, you need to select send on an Android and receive on Samsung. I'll auto-rotate my screen real quick. Receive over here. Then tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo, just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Samsung, then selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Then wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!